please go to salvageyourseller.com and click on Register. On the registration page you will see 3 subscription options. 1. Free subscription. 2. Yearly subscription. And 3. Monthly subscription. Choose the most convenient plan for you. Please keep in mind that if you choose the free subscription, the broker fee will be $299 or 10% of the sale price, whichever is higher. On the other hand, if you choose a paid subscription, the broker fee will be only $249 or 5% of the sale price, whichever higher. You can upgrade or downgrade your account at any point. Once you have chosen your subscription option, please register using your first name, last name, and email address. You can also use your Facebook or Google account. As soon as you log in, you will receive your login credentials via email. When you log in for the first time, you will have to provide some additional information, such as address, phone number, and send a government ID, in order to be able to bid. Also, please read the terms and conditions before you decide to take part in salvage auctions. Salvage Reseller, the most convenient place to buy salvage cars.